clean and ready to get dirty again. I still am gonna wipe down the cabinets and the baseboards because those are looking pretty funky.
It's like,
No, you should just be natural.
well, no, I know, but you were like, I was like half in and I was like, wait.
Yeah. I'm still gonna wipe down the cabinet doors and the baseboards because food splatters, they get nasty, and then you look up in a year and you're like, why are my cabinets a different color? It's not really that bad. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our lovely breakfast. Eggs, bacon, waffles. And then if I have some heavy whipping cream to do, I keep my waffle mix in this. I use Bisquick waffle mix. I have not yet perfected the recipe that I want for waffles, like a good homemade recipe, but I cut out the recipe from the box and I take the waffle part here and the pancake part there. I rarely make pancakes. Let's get this party started. We almost had a bacon catastrophe. For some reason, I bought bacon recently and I froze 2 packs of it instead of just 1. So we're about to defrost the bacon. We're about to defrost the bacon so that we can have more. This is a quick way to do it, or quicker way. Just soak it in some water and it should be alright in a bit. And she's dancing. So now I'm going to show you my amazing whipped cream. Whipped cream is so simple. It's so easy to make your own. And I remember being like, man, I'm eating this stuff from the can, but I want something better than that. This was like several years ago. So I looked up how to make your own whipped cream. And at the time, I did not even have my own, what do you call this thing? Mixer. So I whisked that sucker by hand, but it was so good and I have never gone back. Breakfast. I have my Sunday morning work and rest and play set up here. I have it set up so I can keep my coffee right beside me. I'm gonna do some writing. We're gonna watch a fun movie, and what I'm gonna do to make sure I at least enjoy part of the day is when my computer runs out of power, I'm gonna take it to my room to recharge it, and I'm not gonna work while my computer is charging. And then once my computer is done charging, I'm gonna pick it back up. It's the perfect way to get some stuff done. Here's the thing, when you're building something, I'm learning that it's gonna take more time and dedication. It's gonna, like, I won't have as many weekends where I just chill out and do nothing. But I'm learning to space out those chunks of rest and make sure that even throughout the work week, I'm getting some rest and some time to myself and doing enjoyable things so that I am able to dedicate more time to working, but also enjoy myself in it. So anyway, I hope that you all have an amazing week, and I will catch you in the next video.